Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering. I am Dr. S.K. Shonkar, Faculty of EX Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discuss the fault analysis, the topic of fault analysis. Outline of presentation, introduction, types of faults, symmetrical fault analysis, sequence components. So introduction, a fault in a power system or circuit is a failure which interferes with the normal flow of current. The faults are associated with abnormal changes in current, voltage, and frequency of the power system. In general, fault occurs in a power system network due to insulation failure of equipments, flashover of line initiated by lighting stove, or due to accidental faulty operation. When the fault occurs in a part of power system, heavy current flow in that part of circuit, which may cause permanent damage to the equipment. The selection of circuit breaker depends on the current flowing immediately after the fault occurs. The estimation of these currents are various types of fault at various locations in the system is called fault calculation. The data obtained from fault calculations are also used to determine the setting of relay which control the circuit breakers. Next, the types of faults. There are two types of fault. First is shunt fault and second is series fault. Series fault is one open conductor fault and two open conductor faults. There are two types. And shunt faults are also further classified of two types, symmetrical fault and unsymmetrical fault. Symmetrical fault is a three-phase fault and unsymmetrical fault is further classification of three types. LG fault means single line to ground fault. LL fault means line to line fault, and double L to G means line to line and ground fault. Occurrence of fault in the power system in the order of increasing is as follows. Only 3% three-phase fault is only 5%. Double line to ground fault is 10%. Line to line fault is 15%. And single line to ground fault is 70%. So overall major fault in a single line to ground fault. Okay. The various fault in the order of increasing severity are as follow. Open conductor fault, LG fault, line to line fault, double line to ground fault, and three-phase fault. Symmetrical fault analysis, that fault on power system which gives rise to symmetrical currents, that is equal fault currents in the lines with 120-degree displacement is called symmetrical fault. The symmetrical fault occurs when all the three conductors of a three-phase line are brought together simultaneously into a short-circuited condition. That is shown in the figure. Line VR, VY, and VB. That is the three-phase line, and all three-phase line respect to IR current, IY current, and IB current. They are shorted all three phases. So this fault is called is symmetrical fault. Okay. Three-phase fault, the boundary conditions are, so here symmetrical three-phase fault, VA is equal to VB is equal to VC. Here we can see the diagrams. So VA of phase voltage, VB is the phase voltage of B, and VC is phase voltage of line C. And here IA plus IB plus IC is equal to zero current. That is the phase current. The symmetrical fault conditions are analyzed on per phase basis using Thevenin's theorem or bus impedance matrix. Sequence components in unbalanced system are in related vector can be resolved into n system of balanced vector called as symmetrical components of original vector. In the three-phase system, the three unbalanced vector, either VA, VB, VC, and IA, IB, IC, can be resolved into three balanced system of vectors. The vectors of balanced systems are called symmetrical component of the original system. The symmetrical component of three-phase system are as follows: positive sequence component, negative sequence component, and zero sequence component. And this condition is unsymmetrical fault. So we can see the calculation of unsymmetrical. There are symmetrical component method. There are three types: positive sequence component, negative sequence component, and zero sequence component. Okay. So positive sequence component equal in magnitude 120-degree phase angle exit with same phase sequence of original vectors, and occurs before and after fault. Important: relay and circuit breaker operate on the positive sequence component. Okay. And second, negative sequence component is equal in magnitude and 120-degree phase angle exit with opposite phase sequence of original vector. Okay. And occurs only during fault. Importance: sequence synchronous generator is protected from unbalanced condition by using negative sequence relay. And zero sequence components equal in magnitude, and there is no phase difference for three phase. Occurs only when neutral is grounded and fault occur with grounded. Zero sequence components are used in the calculation of leakage flux. We can see the diagrams of first is positive sequence components. There are VA1, VB1, and VC1. There are the original phase sequence and displacement of 120-degree from each other. And there are a negative sequence VA2 and VB2 and VC2. There are negative sequence component, and two phases C and B are interchange, reverse of original phase sequence. Okay. And these are VA0, VB0, and VC0 is the zero sequence component. There are no phase sequence in each other. So here the operator A is defined as alpha is equal to cos 120 plus j sin 120 is equal to minus of 0.5 plus j 0.866, and A square is the cos 120 minus j sin 120 is equal to minus of 0.5 minus j 0.866, and A cube is equal to 1, and 1 plus A is equal to 0. That is the overall neutral current. Thank you.